Yeah, so it's looking a bit rough here, but anyway. Well, hello and good morning. Welcome back to Colombia. I am again on, I left for a day trip. It's a beautiful day, sun is shining, it's all blue sky. So now definitely the rainy season is over. It's now officially summer. So yeah, blue sky. It's gonna be hot today. Now it's still early, but I decided to go today to Minca. Minca is a little village in the hills. It's a bit cooler over there. It's not that hot. So that is the plan for today. I'm going to Minca because I want to see if it's still very muddy or if the trails are okay. Yeah, now I'm already on this nice winding road up to Minca. It feels already a little bit fresh. Some degrees less than down there, the coast. Still, it's not so busy, it seems. At least here in the village. Later on it's going to be more people, I guess, because there are buses going up here to Basul and to the waterfalls, Minka. Now here we have arrived at Basul, and that's what I said. More people, these small buses bringing the people. Basul is like a natural pool. It's nice, but of course when there's many people it loses a bit of its charm. Now here we have reached the smaller way which goes to La Victoria, which is the coffee finca. So this is to the left. And this is a beautiful off-road trail. It's a bit washed out, but it's like dry, so no problem here. So I'm here now in La Victoria. I had my coffee and now I'm going on. Back to the main road, and then we go up to La Tagua, which is it's not a dirt road, so I'm gonna try that one out first. Now I'm in Campano. It's all relaxed here. People waiting for some guests for their empanadas. Yeah. Just going straight. And look over there, there are more ways, more coffee fincas up there too. Oh, that's difficult to reach. Wow, it's so beautiful here. And there you can see the sea, the Caribbean Sea. So I take a little walk to this mini waterfall and enjoy a little bit of the jungle here. Yeah, it's all pure jungle here, and I'm the only one so far. From time to time another motorcycle, but really not many people up here. The clouds coming over there. Welcome to La Tagua. Oh, what a change! It's all grey and cold here. Oh my god. That's what I always say, it can change so quickly here in the mountains. That's a good proof. So here I am. But as it is cold, I'm just gonna turn around here. No, yo ya voy a regresar, solamente quería llegar y otra vez bajar.
Ah, ok.
Bye. ¿Ah?
Allá arriba hay un mirador.
Ah,
Que está en el espejo.
pues otro día, hoy nada más es para mirar. Sí, gracias. So I'm going down again quickly because it's cold and I only have this jersey. Now I'm again in Campano, and the big question is, do I try and go to Los Pinos? I think so. Just have a look because I'm curious what it looks like. Okay. Yeah, so it's looking a bit rough here, but anyway. Well, anyway, it's not that bad because it's not wet, but I have to be careful because it's a bit steeper than you can see, and yeah, many like holes. Okay, here we go. But here I am already at Los Pinos. It's over there. Ah, yeah. And I can see we will have a good view of Santa Marta. Just going up there, which is also ugly, but it always has been ugly. Which one do I take? The left one. Let's park there for a minute and enjoy the view. ¿Cómo?
Una galletita por ahí.
No tengo nada. Lo siento. Yeah, so he asked me if I had a little cookie for him or something, but I don't have nothing. Indeed, I didn't even have breakfast and I'm hungry too. I thought I wanted to have breakfast on top of, at La Tagua, but then it was so cold that I left. Yeah, so that is Los Pinos. You can see a pine there, big one. That's why it is called Los Pinos here. And it's a beautiful day. I feel warm again. And there you can see Santa Marta. So really a beautiful day with a good view, no rain clouds anymore, perfect day. I was a little bit skeptical up there at La Tagua because it was so cloudy. From 1 second to the next it was cloudy, but no, yeah, that's gone. Now it's again a very beautiful day. This one is a bit tricky. I go in the middle. Oopsala. And here also in the middle. Yeah, I only have one problem now. I'm really hungry. Because my original plan was to eat up there in La Tagua, but when I arrived it was so cold that I didn't want to stay and I just turned around. Okay, gonna wait here. To Minka, it's still far. Thank you. Yeah, I just made a stop to look at this huge guadua. Wow, huh? That's a big one. What is happening here? My last traffic jam for today, I hope. At least in the jungle. Yeah, he's quite close to the edge. Going home. That's it for today. Now again this winding nice road, back down, and then back home, and for the rest of the day I'm gonna relax. Well, I finally arrived at home. It was a long day in Minca, but a beautiful one. Now as I told you, I'm really hungry. I didn't have breakfast, I didn't have lunch, so I'm going to prepare a quick dinner now. Yeah, and that's it for today. I hope you liked this episode. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and then I see you back next Saturday.